If you're worried about inflation eating away at your retirement savings, you're not alone. Many retirees are facing the same challenge as they try to secure their wealth for the long term. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your money, making it harder to maintain your lifestyle and meet your financial goals. But here's the good news. You can take proactive steps today to protect your retirement and preserve your wealth. Before we dive deeper into how to plan for inflation in your retirement strategy, let me quickly share something that could make a huge difference in your financial future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description to get a free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this guide explains exactly why this could be a game changer for you. Now back to the topic at hand. First, you need to understand the impact of inflation on your retirement savings. While traditional investments like stocks and bonds may provide growth, they can often fall short when inflation starts to rise. What seems like a comfortable nest egg can lose value over time, especially if your portfolio is heavily weighted in cash or fixed income assets that don't keep up with inflation. So, what's the solution? Diversification is key. You want to have investments that not only grow, but can also protect your wealth in times of rising inflation. One of the best options to hedge against inflation is precious metals like gold. Gold has been a safe haven for centuries, maintaining its value even during economic uncertainty. Unlike stocks, bonds, or even real estate, gold tends to hold its purchasing power over time, making it the ideal choice for inflation protection. But how do you incorporate gold into your retirement strategy? A gold IRA is a simple way to do that. By converting a portion of your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA, you can protect your retirement savings from inflation while also diversifying your portfolio. If you're sitting on more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even have 5 million plusers in savings, this could be one of the best moves you can make to safeguard your wealth. Gold IRAs offer the added benefit of tax advantages, just like traditional IRAs, but with the added security of precious metals. It's a strategy that's been gaining traction, especially among retirees who want to protect their savings from the devaluation of the dollar. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it allows you to hold physical gold in a tax-advantaged account, ensuring your wealth is both protected and growing. Now, if you're thinking that the stock market or real estate investments might provide better returns, let me share a quick reality check. While these can be solid investments, they're still subject to market volatility, and the return might not keep pace with inflation. Gold, on the other hand, has consistently outperformed during periods of high inflation and market instability. Another option is inflation-protected securities, like TIPS, but their returns can still be underwhelming compared to the long-term security of a gold IRA. TIPS are tied to inflation, but they don't always keep up with the rising costs of living, and their returns may not be sufficient for long-term retirement goals. Here's where the opportunity lies. With gold IRAs, you're not just trying to keep up with inflation. You're proactively protecting your wealth. And because gold tends to rise when inflation heats up, your gold IRA could be growing when you need it most. If you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, it's worth taking the time to explore this option. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you, securing your wealth with a gold IRA is especially critical if you're a high net worth retiree with over $100,000 or even $5 million in savings. The strategy of diversifying into gold isn't just about preserving your wealth, it's about making sure your savings grow, no matter what happens in the economy. If you're ready to take the next step, don't hesitate to click the first link in the description. Download your free Gold IRA guide and discover why so many retirees are choosing this path to protect their wealth. It's the smart move for those who want to stay ahead of inflation and ensure a secure retirement. Remember, inflation is a real threat, but with the right strategy, you can outsmart it. Start planning today.